Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to paint in gouache. I'll be painting a flamingo in gouache paint. So if you're new to gouache medium, this is a great video to help you get started. So what is gouache? Basically, gouache is often described as opaque watercolor. It is a water-based paint and is similar to watercolors but has a high density and high levels of pigment. It can be layered and creates bright, vibrant colors. The paint has a lovely matte finish and quick dry time. It can be reactivated by adding water, which is handy for reworking a painting that has already dried or reactivating dried paints on your palette. So you can add varying amounts of water to gouache paints as you are painting to achieve different level of opacity. After a bit practice with this medium, knowing how much water to use, it starts to become second nature. So what it is for? Its bold matte colors make it a great for illustrations and fine art painting. Many calligraphers also enjoy using it for brush lettering. So what tools do I need? If you're painted with watercolors, it's likely you already have the tools needed to use gouache. You need gouache, of course. High quality gouache paints work best to achieve full opacity and solid, even finishes that aren't sticky. Paint brushes. You can use the same brushes you'd use for watercolors. Brushes that are smooth and flexible works best. Palette for mixing paint. You can basically use a glass palette for this. And of course water for cleaning brushes. You can use a watercolor or mixed media paper. Using a heavy weight paper that are manufactured to handle wet media such as mixed media or watercolor shades is best. Paper in the sketch and drawing family are not manufactured to handle water and wet media applications and won't stay flat. Cold press, textured or hot press, that is smooth paper. Basically, watercolor papers both work well and depend on your preference. So now you will ask me how to get started. So basically just grab a photo that you like, grab out your paints, your watercolor paper and just paint on it. And then you will realize that how good the paints are. You will enjoy painting it, and after watching this video, you will love this medium. So as do I. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please watch my videos till the end so that you will be able to understand what this medium is about, how it works, and what is the great result that you get after painting with it. And yeah, this video has come to an end. Subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Tell me in the comments down below if you like this type of videos or any other video suggestion that you have in your mind and you want me to try in the upcoming videos. Tell me your views about this current video that I have posted in the comments down below. Thank you everyone for watching my videos.